This is one of the thousands of setups in the Table Map Library, an HTML book that describes cue ball patterns on a 9-foot table. These patterns are very helpful when you play one-pocket matches and 9-ball competitions. This video shows the path that the cue ball will travel around the table from the Q1 position, to the A5 diamond target on the rail.
Each setup in the book shows 3 different patterns, based on the spin you apply to the cue ball. For all of the 1030 patterns, the cue ball rolls at a 45-degree left angle. For the 12 o'clock patterns, the cue ball rolls on a vertical line. For the 130 patterns, the cue ball rolls at a 45-degree right angle. For each shot, the tip contact, on the cue ball, must be exactly 1 cue tip width, out from the center.
This is the 1030 spin, from the Q1 position. The running English into the first rail, opens the angle out. The ball goes back up table and comes off the head rail and right side rail in a trapezoid pattern. This sends the cue ball diagonally back down table. This might appear to be a long way to travel to get to a target object ball. The ball will always travel the table length 3 times, and end up in the far diagonal corner. This is the 12 o'clock spin, from the Q1 position. To make this shot work, the cue ball needs a medium 2 speed. When it contacts the first rail, the top spin on the ball pulls the ball path over just enough to get it into the corner pocket. If you are going after an object ball anywhere near this path, you can adjust the target location on the first rail. Take a few minutes and work on this show and any slight variations to the left and right side of the A5 diamond location. It will pay off. This is the 130 spin, from the Q1 position. This is another excellent example as to why you need to understand the benefits of using reverse English into a rail. Here the ball comes back towards the starting position, and follows a narrow path, along the left side, long rail. When you find a situation to use this shot, it will really surprise your opponent. Work with this shot a few times to make sure you know it works for you.
You can buy the HTML book on the Billiard Gods website. The Table Map Library shows critical ball patterns for 1-pocket and 9-ball players. The author has also written these books, all created to help players improve their shooting and thinking skills. The Billiard Gods blog has posts that include excerpts from these books. Good luck. Have fun. And shoot straight.